My name is Michael Davis, and this is my recitation number 3. I was assigned number 6, and here is my work. I'm going to walk you through it. All right. So, question six asks hydrochloric acid reacts with calcium carbonate to produce calcium chloride and carbon dioxide gas with NH2O. Letter A asks to write the balance reaction for this process. Be sure to include phases for all species. Be sure to balance the reaction. So it's pretty straightforward. It's not that difficult. Um, to write chemical equations, you have to kind of read into the what's being asked for. So I always like to think of the word reacts is a plus sign, and to produce is the arrow. So that's how I think about things when I write chemical equations. First, what I do is I actually just write out exactly what's being said. So hydrochloric acid is HCl. We know that that's a solution, so we put the abbreviation AQ here. It says reacts with, so that's a plus sign. Calcium carbonate, that's CaCO3. That is a solid. So we have the abbreviation, the little s here. It says to produce. That is the arrow sign. Calcium chloride. That's this here, and then you can see the abbreviation AQ there. Well, it looks like it's supposed to be a Q. Reacts with carbon dioxide. We know carbon dioxide is a gas, so we have the abbreviation G plus NH2O. So we have our HCO here with a little L to signify that that's a liquid. And you just have to balance it out. It's pretty simple. You're going to put a 2 in front of the H here because there are 2 hydrogen over here. And everything else is actually already pretty equal. You don't have to do anything more after that is done. Because you have 2 hydrogen here, there's 2 chloride, that makes that 2 chloride, that balances that 2 chloride over there. You've got 1 calcium, 1 calcium, you've got 3 oxygen over here, 3 oxygen over here, and 1 carbon here and 1 carbon there. Letter B asks, blackboard chalk contains a certain percentage of calcium carbonate. If a 1.51 gram piece of chalk is placed in the hydrochloric acid, the reaction produces 0.665 grams of carbon dioxide. What percentage of calcium carbonate is chalk? Since we're looking for grams of calcium carbonate, we're going to start with the grams of the carbon dioxide because we're looking for the percentage of calcium carbonate. So here I'm starting with 0.665 grams of carbon dioxide. I calculate the molar mass for carbon dioxide, which is 44.01 grams of carbon dioxide, which is equal to 1 mole of carbon dioxide. 1 mole of carbon dioxide is equal to 1 mole of calcium carbonate. 1 mole of calcium carbonate is equal to 109 grams of calcium carbonate. You do the math here, 0.665 grams divided by 44.01 grams times 100.09 grams of calcium carbonate gives you 1.51 grams of 1.51 grams of calcium carbonate, which is essentially 100% of calcium carbonate is the chalk. Again, this is my 4 work here, and I thank you.